Drilling is underway at Latitude 66 Laverton Gold Project. The company announced 3,000 meters of reverse circulation drilling. Grant Coyle is managing director. Grant, welcome to mining.com.au.
Thanks, Michael. Thanks for having me.
Let's step back a bit before the work that you're underway. What is Laverton and why are you focused on it?
Yeah, look, the Laverton project is something we picked up and announced the market last week. It's an asset that we've been looking at for a period of time now, and really what we want to do was bring another asset into the company, obviously with a gold focus and in Western Australia. And we think the Laverton project allows us to leverage off obviously where the gold price is at the moment and try and bring a near-term development option to the company. So we acquired effectively the project is 4 mining leases and 13 exploration permits across 2 option agreements. And so we've structured the deal to ensure that we sort of minimise the upfront expenditure on the transaction, which allows us to spend that money in the ground and really develop this asset as quickly as we can.
Can you situate the project? I understand there's some gold processing facilities nearby.
Yeah, there is. So when you split up the asset, there's, as I said, there's the mining leases and the exploration permits. The mining leases hold 2 gold prospects, the Red Dog and Tin Dog gold prospects. Red Dog itself was mined out in 2018 by Matza, who mined 12,700 ounces of gold at about 2.5 grams. There's still a JORC resource of over 13,000 ounces on that. But importantly for us, there's an exploration target of 200 to 450,000 ounces across those prospects just down to 200 meters. And as you said, Michael, in terms of gold plants, it's in a really hot spot for that. So there's 5 gold processing facilities within 100 kilometres of the Red Dog and Tin Dog prospects. So it really lends itself to a toll treating opportunity in the near term.
So let's bring us up to the recent news then. You're going to be doing 3,000 meters of drilling.
Yeah, so we've commenced that drilling. So we're about 7 holes in now of around a 40-hole program. That drilling for us is testing out the mineralisation that we know is there. So there's a lot of historical drilling. So we'll be testing some of that mineralisation, extending those mineralisation hits out along strike, and also testing down depth, so at depth as well. So we think there's a lot of prospectivity there that we can unlock in this initial drill campaign, and that's what we're looking to achieve over the next few weeks.
Are you funded? Yeah,
we do. So we've got about 4 million in cash and liquid shares at the moment. So we're fully funded through to get this campaign through and more works into next year. So the funding isn't an issue for us, and we're excited to be able to sort of hit this pretty hard and really try and bring some positive news flows to the market.
So lastly, Grant, then talk about the news flows. When do you expect there to be news out of the drilling program? What's ahead?
Yeah, so we're expecting to get news flow in to the market starting to get the assays back end of January into February next year. As I said, really this is extensional and resource defining drilling. So on the back of that, then we'll look to try and get a JORC resource wrapped around this project pretty quickly. In parallel, we're also going down the permitting front. As I said, they sit on mining leases, and our real focus is to try and bring this development to the market as quickly as possible. So we see the ability to do that within a 12-month period.
Grant, thanks for speaking with mining.com.au.
Appreciate your time. Thanks, Michael.